What's up, guys? This is Idrek, and I'm trying something new. And honestly, I can't really fucking tell how the camera looks right now because it's not letting me preview. So let's just hope it looks well. And yeah, I'm in a 2022 Honda. The fuck is this shit again, bro? Yo, bro, I can't remember. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, guys, we're in a Honda CR-V 2022, and I'm trying something new, a little, you know, showing New York roads. I've seen people do this in like Atlanta and shit, so I just wanted to try it. It's like, for me, I'm showing off different cars and shit, you know. They kind of wilding up here. This Accord moving dusty. I don't know what Beamer that is, but come on, get up in there. What you doing, bro? You gonna wait until that shit close up, bro. Moving mad scary. Yeah, guys, this is New York for you. It's fucking crazy. But yeah, we just vibing. I really hope this shit look good, because if I'm recording for no reason, I'm gonna be tight. But yeah, light heavy traffic. We're on the Belt Parkway, on the Belt, infamous Belt. If you know, you know. Oh, he moving dusty. I want to get up in there. But this Accord moving mad scary, bro. Oh, he getting off? Nah, he not getting off. This Accord, he don't know what to do. Get up in there, brother. Get up in there, come on. Yeah, this Accord don't got it, bro. Let's see. He in there? Oh, he in there. He's in there. Okay. I'm in a big body, but I still get these niggas hell, bro. Oh, okay. Oh, this drop that made this video. I ain't feeling shit though. I'm just cool right now. It ain't nobody with me in the studio. And I'm just bored. Like a money Carlos. I've been trying to find some peace and only God knows. Cross me once, can't call my phone, you get the dot on. I been on fleek, I'm poppin'. 9 minute run if you don't know it, help my pockets. In my bro, take that Draco and go wildin'. Tryna grow up, don't come in contact with that violence. Violence should be played how I'm stylin'. Comment well, she like wet pictures, that ain't mine. Tired of the value, I won't take it out to New York and live a high life like a sign with hybrid. I flash out and take his head from out his body. I never once showed you that side, but that's who I'm is. How now, I let that daddy spit on college. If I die right now, just check the stats and see how I did. I'm a real street, yeah. I just pulled my red eye out and tried to stop him. Where you going? I just walked outside my house and I'm gonna shot him. My ex, I hope my next can probably top it. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Victim of heartbreak and I'm so damaged. Stepping in blood, we be thugs. Some white nigga in that Beamer, bro. He was moving that shit though, I ain't gonna lie. Where he at? I'm gonna miss my exit. This nigga not gonna let me in, bro. On some next shit. If it wasn't this packed niggas, oof, he's moving, bro. Wow.
for me, just a little POV drive, because we drive out here every day. We always out here, see dickhead shit, New York shit, regular shit, bro. So for me, might as well record it, let people see what be going on out here. And yeah, for me, I'ma hop in different cars. I'ma hop in my man's cars, hop in all types of cars, and just gonna showcase shit. See, for me, go to events, races, everything. Niggas was telling me they enjoyed like the one video I did, so I might as well keep it going, right? So fuck it.